Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Blonde Beauty and I am Swati Kumar, and in the first time I am doing a gadget review on my YouTube channel, and it's about earpods, and it's from Boat. And in today's video I am going to unbox this Eardope Boat 711. And guys, these are the Airdopes 711 and it's twin wireless earbuds. And what are the features and how it works and it's good or bad. So let's get started. Let's do a review of Boat 711. So guys, as you can see, I'm already wearing my new Airdope 711 from Boat and I'm enjoying the music. These Airdopes are newly launched in India, and you can buy these Airdopes from Boat and from Flipkart and Amazon. As you can see, it's a sturdy box. It comes like this and it's a grey box, looks so classy. And you can see the picture of Kiara Advani on this, and you can see a picture of the Airdopes clearly on the box, and this is the box look like, and all the features written on this side of the box. And as I open it, you can see the Airdopes box and the Boat written this side, and I can remove it from this box and I'll show you. So you can see this is a very beautiful black color box, and you can open it. After it you get these earpods, and you can see it's a L shape earpods, and you can see these are in the L shape, and when I remove it from it, I'll see it's little heavy, not too much but little bit heavy, and it looks so classy in the black cover, and you can see this. और गाइस, इसमें सबसे अच्छी चीज़ है जो कि इस बॉक्स के ऊपर भी लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पर मेंशन किया हुआ है कि इसमें एक बटन है, एंड प्रेस एंड होल्ड कैप्टिव टच कंट्रोल फॉर 2 seconds टू एक्टिवेट वॉइस असिस्टेंट. So it has voice assistant also, and when you want to open it or open Bluetooth, you have to press this little button from here, and the light comes in this side like this. You can see white and red light comes when you press this button, and I'll show you how to put it in your ears. It's so easy and comfortable after wearing it, and looks so classy. And guys, these Airdopes are advanced touch control, and it's wireless charging support with Type-C charging, and it's IPX sweat and splash shield, and it's low latency for entertainment. And guys, these have up to 10-hour non-stop playback, and it's one touch assistant it has, and they have Bluetooth 5.0 with low power consumptions. So guys, these are the features I told you about this Boat Airdopes, and I'll show you a proper unboxing. So let's get started. And if you guys want to stop the music or play the music, you have to just tap one on your Airdopes and the music starts itself. And if you want to fast forward next song, so you have to double tap on your Airdopes. So it's very easy to use and it's so comfortable on my ears. I'm wearing these from last 1 hour and I didn't feel any uncomfortableness. So these are my new Airdopes from Boat, and if you guys want to see these type of my gadget review video on my YouTube channel, so please comment me below on my YouTube channel on my video. So see you in next video. Bye.